Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you these. These are the Nature Valley bar thing with peanuts in it. I'm going to post on my video. So this is what they look like, guys. I have a little tiny thing of peanuts.
Makes it free, right? Ain't that right? Right?
That's in the breast. Okay.
Jimmy will never touch any of your baby.
You owe me $5 from a crack game. Man, I ain't paying your ass nothing. What?
Look at those little peanuts, guys.
Yeah, here. Yeah, get on you.
You won't call the scene in public for $5 only way. $15,000 back into hotel. You won't call the scene, man, for $5? $5? It's the principal. That's right, the principal. He owe me money he's supposed to pay. This shot town's finest. I ain't going out like no sucker. Oh, you ain't going out like no sucker. You know the player? We gonna be caught. And you wanna know why we gonna get caught? Why? Because there's a stupid nigga in every bunch that messing up everybody.
There it is, guys. I posted on the video to get some reviews.
What? Keep it moving. Ain't nothing to see here. Come on, man. I lost my head. Tell it. They got about 15 or 20 G's in that ATM.
I'd rather those machines are worth more than the money that's maybe be reward for an ATM machine.
I wish the money in it was mine.
That was me. I use that money. I take my girl out to a real nice dinner, like Red Lobster.
Oh, see, now that's upscale. Red Lobster is
The block.
What are you gonna do,
I
fool?
don't hate cheese toast just because I'm eating scampi, some shrimp, some scallops and shit.
You know what I mean? You know, truly.
No, G's hit the block. G's hit the block. Alright, if you like the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more retro content. Thank you, bye.